Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وأنذر به الذين يخافون أن يحشروا إلى ربهم ليس لهم من دونه ولي ولا شفيع لعلهم يتقون. Translation: And warn with it, Quran, to those who fear that they will be gathered unto their Rabb, and know there will be no guardian nor protector besides him, and no intercessor for them, that they might become righteous. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is commanding Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that, O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you give the advice from this Quran to the people who fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that they will have to stand in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and there they will find no one that can help them or that can do any intercession for them, and maybe these people will get the righteousness. And those people who are just drowned in this world, meaning that they do not see anything but the pleasure of the world, and their 100% effort is to gain the pleasures of the world, and they are not worried about the death. They are not worried about the day that they have to face Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These people will not get any advice, any guidance from the warnings of Quran. And whatever you say to them, they will not get any effect of that, because they are living in this world on this hope which is not true, that whatever we do in this world, in the end nobody can touch us, because we are from the nation of a prophet like Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or we are the follower for that high status scholar or buzurg, and they will do intercession for us, or we have done this and that good deeds which will save us from the hellfire. So these people will not get the guidance from Quran. So, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you leave them on their way, but keep warning those people who believe in standing in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they are not sullen heads because of some wishful thinking. And these people who are living with fear and hope from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will get the guidance from this Quran. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala please give us guidance from Quran and make us among those who take the nasiha and warning and glad tidings from Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.